Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we're going to make Tibouchina. This plant grows in Neotropical areas and they are known as glory bush. And today we will focus specifically on the Peruvian glory bush. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. First of all, we need to trim the 90-gram beige crepe paper into 3 cm wide and 2 cm height. We need 5 pieces for each flower. Cut across the paper and you will have 6 pieces of triangles. Then we need to glue them back together with UHU glue. Add a very small amount of UHU glue to the middle line and attach the second half. This is very similar to how we make the grains on the leaves. Now we move on to coloring. Get some fuchsia soft pastel, some blue and purple. Color the paper roughly with a fuchsia and purple mix. Color both sides. Then we add the blue randomly. Do the same to all of the petals. After that, we need to trim the paper into petals. Put 3 pieces of paper in a pile and cut them together according to the template. But make sure when you pile them up, the middle line will line up together. They should all look like this. Pick a side that looks the best. Fold in the middle and the sides. Fold all of the petals. We do the same to the dark blue paper. Instead of coloring it first, we cut them into the petal shape first. Take out the white soft pastel. We only color the middle bottom of the petals on both sides. Then we shape the petals exactly the same way. Now we are going to make the flower center. Cut a piece of beige paper in 3 x 3 cm. Color the tip with some yellow pastel. Cut the center into very thin fringes, as thin as you can. Give it a small rub. Cut it into 2. Add some UHU glue to the paper and wrap around the 22 gauge wire. Shape the flower center. Then add the petals to the center. Attached towards the bottom of the flower center, this flower has a relatively long flower center. We do the same to the dark blue flower. We move on to the budding flowers. Cut the petals out according to the template. We color the tip of the blue petals with some white pastel. Then a loop on the top of the 22 gauge wire and add a hot glue ball. Wait for it to cool down. Expand the middle a bit. Wrap the hot glue ball with the budding petals. And trim the tip. For the fuchsia budding flower, we color the petals from top to the bottom with a similar mix of the colors. Cut a lot of bottom leaves for the budding flower and the flowers. Attach the leaves with UHU Glue. Then we need to make the leaves. Cut the 26 gauge wire into 7 cm long and cut the leaves according to a template. Cut the green paper into straight strips, 3 mm x 4 cm for wrapping the wires. Fold the paper into half with the wire in the middle. You can leave the top 5 mm of the wire unwrapped. Take 2 pieces of the leaves in the same size. Stick them together with a wire as a stem. Tidy up the look of the leaves. Now we are going to wrap the stems of all the flowers and budding flowers. Use a strip of green crepe paper to wrap half of the stems. Then we wrap the flowers into a small bundle. A flower with a button flower and some leaves. This branch will start with 2 budding flowers on the top. Wrap them together and add a piece of 18 gauge wire at the main stem. Add a few leaves on the way. And the flowers. For this flower, half of it is in blues and the other half is in fuchsia. Make sure they're all in the right position. And we are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our templates are available on our Etsy shop. Check them out. See you guys next week.